Let's solve this question together. It says 4 to the power of m multiplied by 4 to the power of m is equal to 40. Let's solve for m in this question, okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to say that because this is in the same base, alright, this is 4 and 4, we can multiply both of them. So we have that when you have multiplying numbers in the same base, you simply write out one of those numbers and add the powers. So m plus m is 2m to be equal to 40, alright? Moving on from here, let's outline the multiples of 40. Okay, so 40 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Okay, 8 times 5 is 40. This is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 times 5. Okay, so 2 cubed times 5 is 40. Alright, now also we can say that 4 is equal to 2 squared. So we can now replace 40, okay, we can replace 4 with 2 squared and 40 with its multiples in this question, so that we have 2 squared raised to the power of 2m to be equal to 2 cubed multiplied by 5. Now, when you have this, you multiply the power. So 2 times 2 is 4m to be equal to 2 cubed times 5. Now, we can do something here. We can say, let's take the logarithm of both sides and see where it takes us to. So we said take the logarithm of both sides in base 2. Because the number carrying m is 2. So we have base 2 of 2 to the power of 4m should be equal to the log in base 2 of bracket open 2 cubed times 5. Alright? Now moving on from here, we can now say that when you have logarithm of a to the power of b, it's equal to b multiplied by log of a. So applying that law here, we have that this is 4m multiplied by the log of 2 to what base? 2. It's equal to logarithm of, for this one you split up the log, so you put log for each of them and separate them with plus instead of multiplication. So rather this is 2 of 2 cubed plus log of 5 in base 2. Alright? Now, moving on from here, we're going to have the log of a number to its own base is 1. That's a rule. 1 times 4m is 4m. So we equal to 3 multiplied by log of 2 to base 2 plus log of 5 to base 2. Now, 4m is equal to 3 multiplied by log of 2 to base 2 will strike out. And what you're left with is plus log of 5. Okay, so this is 5 to base 2. Now, m here will now be equal to 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 multiplied by log of 5 to base 2. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.